This is Jeff Quest of Boatshed, Norfolk, and we're currently on the latest listing, which is a Bourne 35, 1975, maybe 76, and we're in the aft cabin at the moment. The woodwork is in really good condition here, up onto the headlinings. This is a storage cupboard, and swinging round to starboard we have one berth this side, companionway out to the aft well, and around to the port side small double. And then we move through to the forward in the craft towards the bow, and for currently looking at the galley. 2-burner cooker, there's no oven or grill, and then we have the stainless steel sink, mixer, and again very good woodwork, although this looks like highly varnished, and plenty of storage space with a fridge under here. That's a Waco, and they'll just swing round towards the stern, and so you get a stern view of the galley. Good working surface area, and again woodwork in good condition. On the port side we have the main loo, which we have an inset basin, mixer tap, storage under, very good flooring, shower tray, and the loo and absolutely bags of light. And then actually moving in and getting a better view of the electric toilet, we've got the shower head and shower mixer. Very roomy and clean. And then we move back out towards the galley, which, as you can see from the photographs as well, there's loads of storage space under. And again forward, and under here are the gas bottles, which you can see in the photographs. Large saloon. This is on the starboard side, 2 seats and a small table, and then we have the saloon table and the seating. Now that's a very large double that swings down, and when the table's down, that is, certainly that's going to be very comfortable. Lots of room. Around to the helm, absolutely stunning helm wheel, I have to say, with the dashboard, bow thruster, the electrics panel, and again that wheel. Really is very well put together and comfortable, with good, very very good visuals. As you'll see when I stand back a bit more, you'll see the actual depth of those windows on both port and starboard sides, certainly offering you plenty of light. Looking round in the saloon now, again the table, down towards the galley, and we have this sliding roof, so very comfortable on those lovely summer days when we get them. And back to the area where the batteries are. Sorry, the gas bottles are. Batteries are actually under here, and you can see those in the photographs as well. Stunning woodwork. All too normal for a Bourne 35. They're a very, very well put together boat. Then we have the companionway into the forward cabin. Unfortunately I can't show you video much because of the storage of various bits of equipment which has been stored for the winter. But there are photographs of the forward cabin. However, all this was moved out of the loo to give you a better idea of the manual loo, second loo, with basin. Fairly basic, but certainly functional. I'm swinging round to look aft. If you need to know any more about this boat, then please go to www.boatshednorfolk.com, and many thanks for watching.